What's up, guys? We're back again. Making another video. Haven't made a video in like 1,000 years. Actually, just like 2 weeks. But yeah. Jackson's not here, so we have Wyatt here, my other friend, on my quad again. I think there's some people racing down here, so we're gonna go check that out. Let's get into it. Gotta start my bike. All right. Let's see what's going on down here. Are they racing on the street? I heard a two-stroke and I was like, oh, are they racing? What's going on here? I don't know what's going on. All right. Let's go do some like hill climbs. Whoa, that was embarrassing. All right. I think they're racing. I'll go race them, but I'd embarrass them, you know. Too good for that. Let's just go over here and do some hill climbs. Let's see here. I don't know what we're going to do in this video. We're just going to kind of ride around, do that stuff. Go up and down these hills. A rocky hill. I actually want to go over the other side of the lot and do some of those crazy hill climbs over there. Those ones are fun. This is just too boring, you know, not enough of a challenge. Oh no, I'm just kidding. Alright. No one going on the road. I don't know what these guys are doing down here. They're like going up and down the road. I hate when people come down the wash and ride on the dirt road. Oh, they're racing though. But still, go on the wash. Huh. Still find out where we went. Alright. Remember what that truck's doing up there? Just watching. This hill. Let's hit that hill. Circle around here. Got a little air on that. Crazy. Not really, but you know. Alright. I don't know how Wyatt's gonna do on this. We'll see though. I don't know where he went. Man, that's a nice truck. I'd love to have one of those. Oh, he's just down there doing donuts. I need to get him to get up here. Come up here! Just doing donuts. Won't come up here. Come on. there's other hills that aren't as bad over there. Man, you just need to come up here. It's windy. I hope you guys can hear me all right. Really need a mic. That would be super helpful. I wish he would just kind of come up here. I don't know what he's doing. Alright, I'm just gonna roll down. If you're wondering why I can't just start it right here, it's because I need something to stand on, you know? I know, it's embarrassing, but it's so hard to start this thing if you don't have something to stand on. That's where I got a little bit of air at. Alright. Let's talk to this kid. Where do you want to go? What do you want to do?
I don't care. You still vlogging?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know.
You don't want to go up that hill, huh?
What?
You don't want to go up the hill?
I don't know. I would, but the last time I did that, I almost pretty much wrecked down the mountains. You know I'm not the greatest, but I know there's if you go back there, there's still some jumps and stuff over there.
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright, I don't know where we're going to go. Let's just go. Let's ride. I think I know where we're going to go. Maybe. Whoa, that was gnarly. Alright. Let's go to the other side of this wash here. I want to find something to jump. Oh, that's where we need to go. I remember. There's a jump over there, over yonder, that we need to go check out. Whoa, it's thick sand. That was great. Really hope you can hear me. You don't understand me talking, you know what I'm saying. Hope this jump over here is still here. I don't know. Can you spot the ramp? Probably sound like an idiot right now, but oh, I see it. I see it. Maybe. Oh yeah, that's a big gnarly jump right there. Huh. We'll go check it out from down here. Whew, that's a big jump. Just gonna hit it in first gear. Whoa, there's no way I'm gonna jump that right now. Man, that's a big jump. Probably boot myself. Alright, I think we're gonna call that a moto vlog. It's only a short one, I know. It's windy, so you probably can't hear me very well. The audio is probably horrible. But yeah, if you liked today's video, comment, like, subscribe.
Like, subscribe, give that comment. Hey, hit me up on the gram, YG56.
Yeah, do whatever he said.
Hey, show my boys some love. Like, subscribe, man. He needs it.
Yeah.